Hi, my name is Nicole Birch. I'm in the ABA Special Education with Severe Needs Master's degree. And my practicum site, I'm working at Milton Public Schools Elementary School, Collicott Elementary School in Milton. Right now, I live in Canton, Massachusetts. Something I learned so far from the practicum is that you always kind of have to be prepared for unexpected things or for kids to do better than expected or possibly have difficulty with the material and be able to modify it in the moment and have those options prepared. So that was something I definitely learned during my pre-practicum experience. Um, Also, so the next one is something I hope to learn this semester. I hope to learn a bit more about just making sure I'm hitting high expectations for my students, always kind of connected to what I said before. Um, just making sure that I always have other options. So if I see that a child completely knows the material already, I'm ready to amp it up a little bit to the next step for them, or alternatively, be able to accommodate them if they need differentiation of the material to be able to grasp it. Um, a hobby or interest, I love painting. So I do painting. I did a nice painting during quarantine, which was pretty cool. I haven't been able to paint in a while, so that was awesome. One good part of quarantine, actually. And I guess that's it. Thanks.